When you start the software, you immediately see an overview of all the results of your optimizations. To view the various alternatives of an optimization, select it here. intelliDivide then shows you an initial overview of the available alternatives, together with the key figures. Red marking symbolizes a bad value in comparison with the other alternatives. Green marking a good value. The further to the left the arrow lies, the better the value in comparison. In our example, we have selected the optimization result with the least waste. If you want to view more information about the result, click here. Now, you can select details of the various aspects of the optimization and view the cutting pattern.